Hey guys, if you guys have a GM vehicle, the check engine light is on and it's showing this code over here, P0496. It is called an evaporate emission. So this is for an so there's a small vent solenoid on top of the engine. You will have to like replace that. It's like really easy. It just takes 10 minutes, and then after you like get that done, the light will go away. So I will show you how you like replace that. Hey guys, so if you guys have a GM vehicle and it's showing an 496 warning code, then this is the issue here. This is called a vent solenoid, which it just like fits right in there, and then there's one connector for it, and there's like one screw, and then this hose over here will fit into the solenoid. And it's just like really easy. All you have to do is just like remove this cover on the top of the engine and just unscrew it and just like replace it back on. And then this will like help with the shaking. So this is like if you guys like just like refill your tank with the gas, and then after that your like engine will kind of like shake. This is the issue, is because of that, and then it will be like hard to start every time you like fill up the gas. So you like all you have to do is just like, replace this solenoid. Then you're gonna plug it back in. And then to like remove it, you're gonna press this green button here, and then pull this out, pull the plug out. That's it. So it just plugs right back in for the hose, and this is the connector plug. And then just push it until you hear like a click. See, okay, yeah. So now that was a click. And then that cover just goes back on the top. Okay, so we just replace the solenoid, and then we just like drove it like a mile or so. As you can see, there's no check engine light coming on. So if you guys have this issue, it is a really easy fix. Just takes 5 minutes. I would recommend just like doing it by yourself instead of taking it to the shop. It will be like less cheaper. And then if you guys have any like questions, just like a comment below, and please subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.